welcome to my channel with me, Nila. Today I'm gonna review about a Burberry bag that I purchased from eBay. And the one thing I like to purchase on eBay for Burberry, this is the second bag. They from seller ship to eBay authenticator before, and after that they ship to me if they already checked this bag is authentic and the real Burberry, and then they send to me. So I'm gonna show you this bag. Yeah, this is big enough. This is medium size, but I like big bag. That's my favorite. And I get this authenticity card from eBay. Just a minute. Oh yeah, this one I found it. So this is attached on my bag. Yeah, because I want to use my bag, so I need to cut this tag. So eBay give it to me. This is like envelope. Inside envelope there is authenticity guarantee. On the back we can see there is a brand Burberry, a model, a bucket bag, style, a shoulder bag, material leather, and then there is a serial number and the date code. Yeah, so and they sent this greeting card from eBay. Yeah, you can see there. And I'm gonna put in the envelope again so it's not gonna lose. Yeah, so yeah, this is there's like authenticity guarantee. And beside this bag I get from the seller, this is include a shoulder strap. There is two side, one leather, one canvas. This is like a style of the Burberry, and this is a medium size. This is a buckle tote, medium size, soft green. If you see that style number, if you're interested to buy, and I get this too from the seller, include the bag. And beside that I get the dust bag, original dust bag from the seller from Burberry. Yeah, and the one thing I like, the eBay gave me the dust bag. I like it. This is very thick, from cotton. Yeah, I like it. This is very thick. I like a thick dust bag. And then from insert I use this one because I don't want to put all my stuff without insert, just to protect, keep clean, and yeah, not dirty and something like that. So I'm gonna put inside. This is fit. It's perfect for insert, for inside the Burberry. So I'm gonna put this. This is my Burberry wallet. I have a Burberry wallet too. I use this. Gonna put inside, and I have this one too. I use the card wallet. Yeah, I can put inside, and I use this pen. I like red. This is I put inside. this pen. This is my favorite. And I'm gonna put my glasses too. Yeah, it's my glasses. I'm gonna put inside. Yeah, this is a big case, glasses case. Okay, this is fit. And this is my sunglasses. Gonna put inside. Hand sanitizer. And this is a mini lens care kit. Gonna put inside. So if you see, this is a fit here. Yeah, this is my wallet, my glasses, my sunglasses, and sanitizer, my pen, and I'm gonna put here. It's gonna fit. I just doesn't want to squeeze the bag, or I don't want to make this inside dirty. That's why I use insert. I use insert for all my bag. Yeah, I'm gonna put here. See, you can see. I'm gonna zip this. Yes, it's fit. Everything inside, it's fit. Yeah, I like it. So this is the back, the side, on the back, and this is for a shoulder strap. So like this, I'm gonna put here. Like that. This is the back. Yeah, I love it. The color, I really like this bag. Really like this bag. This long, this shoulder strap for the, is it perfect for me? Like this. It's not too long. It's not too short. Just perfect. Okay, that's my review about my Burberry bag that I purchased from eBay. I'm gonna make another video review about my Burberry bag for the other I think bowling bag. Yeah, and enjoy and stay tuned. Thank you. Bye.